Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make fish fry without fish. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Soak 8 Kashmiri red chilies in warm water for 10 minutes. Then grind it along with 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 5 garlic cloves, and a little salt. Add a little water and grind this into a fine paste. Now chop 500 grams of potatoes into thick slices and add the masala paste. Mix well and keep it aside for half an hour. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame and add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Saute this for a few seconds and add the marinated potatoes. Mix gently. Cover it with the lid and cook it over low flame for 15 minutes. Now stir occasionally and fry this for 10 minutes without the lid. Now it's ready, turn off the flame. This will go nice with both plain and variety rice. Please try it out and post your feedback.